Alrighty, folks, I am here with my new friend Jason at Rocket Machine Worx. And you may have seen in a previous video, I'll link here, I got this very product right here installed on my RV to get the coax inside the 8-ton radio go box. And these guys are handmade right here by Jason, his lovely wife Lisa. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Jason.
So we're CNC machinists. We have a CNC manufacturing facility that we've built over the years, and our product line is our main focus right now, to give the community high-quality, American-made, hopefully designed good by moi, products that you guys can use to build your station with. Okay. Everything is CNC machined. It's all 6061 T6 aluminum. Anything with color, this is new for 26, is baked on ceramic finish, Cerakote, if you're familiar with Cerakote.
Same thing used on firearms,
yep,
right?
And other industries too.
So it's tough.
I have a rogue lifting bar that's Cerakoted.
Okay.
You probably know us from our micro and mini packs. That was our first product.
These guys right here?
Yep. Micro and mini.
Okay.
And then we recently launched the travel patch, which is what you saw in the other video. They're also threaded through. Anything with a connector that we sell is threaded all the way through, and it's not just a tap that goes through it. These are single point threaded, meaning the machine comes down through after we machine the hole. It comes down and then it unscrews and threads it, cuts the thread as it comes through.
Nice.
They come with a laser cut gasket. We laser cut the gaskets for both the travel patches and these that come with the window wing kits.
And just to be clear, you got a little rubber band on there to hold the screws into the gasket. Is that a little black bit right
yep,
there?
so it looks like that when I show you.
All right, no problem.
Yeah, it comes with the stainless these stainless screws. So the travel patch can be used like you saw in the install, but also like a photo box. We had a client buy one for the lid on his tool truck box.
So there's a blue travel patch right there.
So the actual radio portion is strapped down on the inside of this. I did not make the box. I bought it for this. Funny story. I asked the guy if he wanted like some credit for this, so I could like get him some business credit. He was like absolutely not having it. He wanted to get divorced from this, and that was the end of that. It's pretty funny. There's a Biono 6 amp hour battery in it, 4 or 6, one of the little ones. But the inside there's a PL259 to PL259, like RG59, no, not 59, the 174, the real thin stuff. Okay. That goes from the bottom of the bulkhead to the input of the radio on it. That's what it looks like on the inside. You put a fan on it, and it's got a USB thing here and voltage. And if you're gonna use it like this on your box, you need to put like a big one of these mounted upside down so there's some screws sticking up, and put an alligator clip for your counterpoise. Just random wire.
Gotcha.
The tuner in this one.
Very James Bond looking setup there. Yeah. Cool.
And then specific for your setup, and I have it set up here. You see the ATAS here we have set up.
Uh-huh.
The ATAS comes through a bulkhead, just like any of the other bulkhead connectors, and the feed line's on the back. It's using the black coaxis here is serving as the counterpoise for the ATAS. And the center conductor is not hooked to anything on the back side. What it's doing is using the braid of the coax as a counterpoise.
And that's what you were saying I could do on the RV to get the counterpoise, and then I could run it up on the roof or something like that.
So you get I mean like battery terminal alligator clip, the big ones.
Uh-huh.
You could just clamp it right onto the bottom of your right angle connector and just put a random wire on it.
Gotcha.
Or you could use a T and then put a coax. If you were to do that, though, you need to disconnect the center conductor from your random coax.
Okay.
Because otherwise it's making this long too, and that's not desirable. But in this incredibly not ideal
so you've got that coiled up right there as the other side of the antenna.
Yep.
So we're going to tune it and see what we got on there, on that setup.
If you mess with the coax, it can positively impact this.
So we got a little, we're below 1.2. It looks like they're at 1 point on 10 meters. Very cool. Okay.
So your HOA sufferers, your new hands who don't want to commit to anything big yet, second story shacks or higher, situations like that.
Okay.
Your ATAS and then this, our Windows setup, could be an option for you. Because it's threaded through, the lock nuts actually lock and it'll actually hold the antenna up. If it wasn't threaded and not locked, it would tip over.
Right. So this can actually easily support, which I found that to be the case with this guy too. Can support their weight of the antenna. Cool. So we can get in through vehicles. We can get in through boxes, houses, windows. Any other uses? Are we missing one?
So I'll tell you, when I designed like these holes and stuff, the very first one that we designed was for ourselves. So the gap across here is so you can use drywall screws and just screw it against the bottom of your, like the floor joist in a house or an attic or stud behind a drywall. If you have a closet space or something like that.
Okay.
Or the side of a desk. We had somebody buy one for the side of a desk for a quick disconnect for bad weather to come around.
Right on.
It's like easy to get to. Everything's designed to be like adaptable to your situation. All our stuff has these 5/16, 18 holes on the side.
Yep.
How about casement windows?
Working on that. That's a common problem. I think you're the fourth person today.
Yes.
Yeah, the problem is the gap on the side.
Yes, and then closing it in because they're all different heights.
Yes, exactly.
I would love a solution for that. Thank you.
All right, very cool. Made here in the USA?
Made in our facility at our property.
And a veteran-owned company, right?
Yep.
And what branch did you serve in?
Navy. We're both Navy.
You're both Navy.
Yep.
Lisa too.
Yep.
Right on. So it's an American-based company, and you're supporting a veteran company. Beautiful. America. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.